It's 2026. If you're still using these crimp style butt connectors, it's time to change. All the professionals are actually switching to these solder type connectors. These are actually super easy to use. What you have here is a small piece of solder that's going to melt, and you're going to have your glue to glue it on with. So what you're going to do is slide this in just like so. You want to make sure that the copper is inside the solder joint. Slide the other end in and make sure that both ends are actually touching that solder joint. That way it's going to bond together the way it's supposed to. And then you're just going to get out your heat gun and wait for the magic to happen. You're going to want to work all the way around this to make sure you get a nice even melt on that connector. As you can see, it's actually bonding and melting, shrinking right down around the wire and making that waterproof seal. Once you have the waterproof seal around both ends of that connector, just make sure that you get the solder itself hot enough to melt, and it's going to give you a nice waterproof connection that you're not going to have to worry about for as long as that wire is in service. Just like that, I have a nice soldered together connection. That copper is bound and it's not going anywhere. If you guys want to pick up this set of solder connectors, it's going to come with all the solder connectors that you're going to need in several different sizes, just like your traditional butt connectors, and it's going to come with a storage box. I'll leave that orange shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. You guys can pick them up there.